Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update.
So hello guys, I am going to unbox this Redgear Grim keyboard. So let's open the keyboard. So this is the keyboard. The wire we are getting is braided cable. Let's talk about the quality. Only this plate is made of metal. It is more better if they give it a black color, and the lower plastic quality is very bad. This is very bad quality plastic. See, the keyboard looks very good, and it don't look like any cheap keyboard, and all the keys are visible without using the backlight. Let's try the keyboard by connecting it to the PC. So the keyboard is connected, and for lighting the keyboard we have to press this scroll lock switch. You will not get any mode to change the color, and you cannot adjust the brightness of the backlight. And in this keyboard you cannot get any volume switch or mute switch. So this is not a multimedia keyboard. So check the sound of the keyboard. And the front quality is very good, but the backside plastic quality is very bad, and this transparent plastic. So it is a better option in 600 rupees to buy this keyboard, and we wait for the sale. When they give it in 600, go and buy it. Don't spend 800 on this. And this is the caps lock light. So let's try typing on the keyboard. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and anything to ask about the keyboard, please ask in the comment. So thank you.